put this PTO on, give me a little RPM, maybe 1200, 1190, and go to the screen, tell it I want 540, mash the button, mash it again, and there she goes. As you can see, she's ramping up. She's at 350. And one feature I wish I'd have got on this tractor would have been the economy PTO, but it doesn't burn much fuel, even running 1800, I think it's 1930 is 540 PTO. So but running it, you can tell me the steering wheel is almost inconsistent. The mirror, I mean the mower is running. We'll let it down. Pick it up just a little bit. Alright, this is where we're going to run it at right here. So we'll mash this button and you can tell where I got it set. I got it preset now, so it should work there. And now we're just going to start to move forward. So I'm going to take the old joystick here and just push it forward a little bit. And we're mowing. Moving real low. Just gonna mow these sunflowers down and see if we can't get some dust. It's pretty dusty out here today. Ain't had no rain in a while. So we're gonna see if we can mow these down and get us a few does. You can tell it's running 540. Let's see how many gallons a minute it says I'm burning. I don't think it's very much at all. Let's see here, 6.2 miles an hour. Let's see, let me find it for us here. It's probably going to be on a counter. I would expect it'll be on right here. We can just choose any counter we want. Burning like 4 gallons an hour. But you can see where we're mowing back there. Does a good job. It's not real hard mowing anyway. Just want it good and clean. Oh, we're near to the end. We'll pick up on it. We gotta make sure we don't want to go that high every time, so we're gonna move it back to where it's only picking up about 80%. Pick it, let it back down, and now it won't go up at about 80%. Alright, so we got some wheat planted. You can see it's starting to come up. Got some wild turnips we got to spray, got a little corn, got some hay. But we're gonna mow this section down right here, get it good and clean, and see if maybe some of these doves will come in from up north where they've been having a little cold weather today. I was watching a little bit of the football game and they said it was 8 inches of snow in Alabama. I mean, in New York. Not Alabama. And, of course, here we are today, and I told you it was 70 degrees out here, but I kind of lied. You can see the tractor showing. Let me show you, but the tractor's showing pretty much 82 degrees here. That's pretty strong. This is cutting good. Tell, real smooth. I mean, very smooth mower. For the fact that it'll cut grass just as good as a lawnmower, but yet can cut debris up to 4 inches. It's pretty amazing. And the fact that this design really hadn't changed in 16 years tell you they got a pretty good design. And look, I drag it in the dirt a lot. I'm not dragging it that much today in the dirt because it will go even lower than this, but I'm getting it good. So it's a great mower, great product. They sell disc harrows, rotary cutters, multiple other things, but those two things they're known for. I own both of those units. I own their disc harrow for 3-point hitch, is one of the best, and their mower. This is the mower I choose over the 400 series. 400 series, they say, cuts grass even better than this mower, but I've used this mower for 16 years and it's always done a good job for me, so I went right back with what I knew worked, even though they say that the new 400s do work better on grass. So, you know, if you're in the market for a new rotary cutter, you know, in the up to the 8-foot range, I think is the largest one they make. They make a 408. This here is only a 7-foot cutter, but the reason it's only 7 foot because, like I said, you can cut 4-inch diameter material, which is extremely large material. Nothing I would run over, nothing I would even do. But now 1-inch, 2-inch pines, oaks, it'll just chew them up like they're nothing. And it'll shred them. It won't just cut them in chunks, it'll shred them. It's a well-built mower. I've got a little small video on my website that'll show you cutting down some pines, and it'll do it. It does a great job. So if y'all in the market for a rotary cutter, I would highly suggest you call Mr. Ricky or Ryan over at Brown in Ozark, Alabama, and try their cutters out. You won't be disappointed. They make a great quality unit and a good family-owned business. Been around a long time, but when you got a good design, it sticks around, and this is a really good design. So again, if you need one, check out their website. It's Brown Manufacturing Corporation, and give them a call or check with many of their dealers around. My dealer is Southside Equipment in Millersville, Georgia. My best friend owns it and runs it with his mom and his brother. And if you're in the middle Georgia area, check out Southside Equipment. They can fix you up with a brown cutter or a brown harrow and many other things. Land Pride, they sell Land Pride. So anything they could help you with, you need to give them a call. Well, we got a phone call coming. I'm going to cut y'all off, and I'll be back later on.